Hello friends, welcome you all to Aspiration for Learning. This is Swati. Welcome you all to another study blog. This is the first lot of the day and I am doing polity from Ghatna Chakra. As it is raining outside heavily, so I can't go to tuition. Let's complete this slot and go for breakfast. After completing breakfast and taking some rest, this is the second slot of the day and I am completing Indian Society from NCERT. After completing the Indian Society, I am feeling a little bit sleepy, so take a story book. You all know about that book, is called Sherlock Holmes, and after completing a story, let's get started again. Let's check some emails and study again. So this is the last slot of the day. After that we have to go for tuition classes and next try to solve some questions after coming. So let's complete this blog here now because I have to complete my polity previous year's questions and go for tuition.